welcome back to Lexi's makeup tutorial. So, now we're going to do the pink blush that's just pink. So we get a lot on there for a second. Then we put it like there.
She has yet to give any interviews explaining her actions.
So that is
yesterday she published this video on social media. As your member of Parliament, the MP has been
now it's mascara time. Let's make it a bit more fancy, yeah? Mascara.
You are now campaigning for somebody.
Mascara, man. Mascara, mate.
You were campaigning to put in Parliament as a Labour MP.
We did campaign for her, that's right. We worked our socks off, and nobody feels more disappointed than, you know, the people that worked really hard to get her elected.
That is from Mascara.
Like, you know, she should have resigned. She hasn't. And
now it's time for this.
For her to be recalled.
And it's not just Labour campaigning for people to
my assistant is just taking it off.
I think the city needs
Thanks, assistant. So this is how it looks like. It's very glittery, and this is the glitter from the bottom. So that is, it comes out very fast, so you have to be careful. Then put some blush in there. Then when you're going to dance, put it on your neck so your neck looks like glittery. So that is why hashtag Carl Jenner and my video. Comment down below. Oh, sorry.